Hello everyone, so welcome back. So today we are going to discuss the question set 29. Okay, so in the first question it says find all the marks obtained by the students in all the subjects in the first term from one table to the integer. So we have to round all the numbers to the nearest whole number. So what we have to do is use the select statement. When I say select, I'm going to say round the mark from student exam mark record table and have to inner join exam term table term id is equal to exam term dot term id. I'm going to say where the term name is equal to first term. Okay, alright, so we have put all of these as 0, or else we can use another keyword. We can say cast mark as unsigned. So let me check the data. Maybe it's rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, so I think here's the mistakes. We have to put mark inside variables, so let's simply mark. I'm gonna say round and let's execute, and as you can see we have all the numbers rounded the nearest whole number. And then we have find the average find the average two decimal places in the marks obtained by the students for the first term mathematics subject. So we need two tables here. So I'm going to inner join subject table subject id equals then I have to round this to two decimal places. To do that, first I'm going to say take the average marks, because that only then we will be getting a decimal place. So I'm going to say mark, and over here I'm going to put a comma and self to say that round this to two decimal places. And they're asking this term in mathematics subject, so I'm going to say subject name is equal to mathematics. If I execute this, okay, I have to say and here. Alright, so we have 71.92. Which is obtained by the mathematics subject in the first term. Right. So let's see. So that's all for the second question. The third question is what is the lowest mark obtained for the science subject? Let's highlight all of that. All term examinations for the students in class A. So we need several tables right here. So we need the lowest mark. So I'm going to say min mark. So just write them up record table, and I have to inner join this object, and that is done. And then I have to again inner join the student table. And I can say this dot student index number equal to student dot index number, and I have to inner join the class table or student exam whatever class dot class heading, and it should be the term. We don't need the term, we need the class name. So I'm going to say class name is equal to 11a, and the subject name is science. That is 23.5. Then find the average marks obtained in Manda Moses second term examination. Second term, that is 1. Mathematics, science, and leadership. That is another one, and the average marks. So we need the AVG. And we do not need the class right now, so let me take off the class. And what else do we need? So the first name, was Amanda, and last name is equal to Moses. Subject name is science, so let me put this in brackets. So the subject name in science, mathematics, and simple language and literature. That's all the subjects inside, and I've executed it again. Here's the average. And then find the average 2 decimal places of the marks obtained by the students in class A in the second term for all subjects. So I need the average in 2 decimal places. So I'm going to use the round clause, round. I'm going to say average, and I'm going to put this mark inside. And I need to round it to 2 decimal places. And students in class A, so I need the class table as well. Join class student class ID is equal to class ID, and term name. Term should be something. I don't need, not need these. The second term. And the subject also we do not need, but we need one thing, that is the class name. Class name is equal to 11a. These are average marks rounded to the nearest 2 decimal places. And that's it for the question set 29, guys. See you again in question set 30.